Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host, James. Now if you're new to my channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Make sure to hit the bell for notifications to get all my future videos. Give a thumbs up and please leave an awesome comment. Today, I'm super excited because I'm going to be doing my first cook in the Ninja Foodi XL Smart Grill. And what we're going to be doing is some Cornish hens. Now I've already tried a few, off-camera cooks and wings and some different things. They turn out phenomenal. So I'm thinking this should turn out pretty awesome as well. So let's go ahead and get into the cook. Okay, so I just wanted to show you real quick what I'm getting, or what we're going to be cooking. I got two of these Tyson's premium Cornish hens. So obviously still in the package. So I'm just going to unpackage these real quick and bring it right back and show you how we're going to prepare these. Okay, so we've got them unpackaged now. Just like a whole chicken, you want to get in the cavity here. They do come with the, the giblets and all that stuff, and make sure to clean those out. So this is going to be really simple. I just patted them dry a little bit, and all we're going to do is just go ahead and season these things up. And all we're going to use is I'm just going to put a little bit of cracked black pepper, and then we're going to use some garlic and parsley. And then I got this stuff called Big Shot. It's actually Veggie Magic. It's more kind of like an Italian type seasoning. So that's what we're going to be using to season these all up. And before we season, see here, I got some, you want to give these a quick spray with some high temperature oil. What I got here is some avocado oil. And as you can see, it's a 500-degree oil, also like a canola oil or vegetable oil, but all we're going to do is go ahead and give it a quick spray. I mean, not much, just a little touch on both sides for two reasons. One, it's going to help the seasoning stick, and actually I'm going to flip these over here, season the back first, and two, it's going to help crisp up that skin. So we've got our seasonings. I'm going to go ahead and season these up. Okay, so we've got the bottom side seasoned up. Super simple. And we're gonna go ahead and turn these over and repeat the same process. All right, so we've got the top seasoned up as well, oiled and seasoned up. And the next thing to do is go over to the new Ninja Foodi XL grill. See you in a minute. Okay, so we are at the new Ninja Foodi XL Smart Grill. And first thing you wanna do, just go ahead and turn the power on. Everything comes on, as you can see. Now what we're going to be doing is we're actually going to be using the internal thermometer for this. So this thing plugs in on the side over here. There's a little plug in. So you just plug that in, and then there's a preset button right over here. Hit preset, and there, after you hit your preset, we're going to pick air crisp on the far left, and we'll give it, we'll do 25, but this thing cooks to temperature, not time. So go ahead and hit the preset button, and you're going to pick chicken, and then that's your whole preset. It's done. And on the far right, there's a little start stop button right here. Go ahead and hit start, and then it's going to preheat. In a few minutes, we'll throw the chicken on. See you then. Okay, so it just took a few minutes for it to preheat. As you can see, it says add food right there. So go ahead and lift that up. And I forgot to mention what I'm using. Always use the roasting pan in the bottom here, and we're actually using the air fryer crisping basket for this. So we got our chickens, or actually our hens, right here, and we're gonna go ahead and just, it's gonna be nice and crispy. Liking it. Whew, that's hot. All right, throw two of those bad boys in there, just like that. And we are using the thermometer, so you want to place this in the breast, in a good middle portion of the breast. Just like that. Let's get it in there. All right, get it in the breast there. And we're good to go. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and close this thing up. And it's closed all the way, and as you can tell, it shows the internal temperature of the chicken is, well, you can see it shows 47 degrees. It's going to kick back on. They're shooting for a temperature of 170. We're going to pull these right around 165. So we're going to check it probably every 7 to 10 minutes, make sure the skin don't get too dark. But we're cooking, and we'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, it has actually been 15 minutes, and let's go ahead and take a look and see what we got. Already the temperature in 15 minutes, as you can see here, is 152 degrees in 15 minutes. That's pretty dang good, super fast. So let's take a look. Woo. Oh man, that skin's getting crispy. Oh yeah. Those are looking good. Let me see if I can get you a little closer after 15 minutes. Yeah, baby. Good stuff. Alright. So, I'm thinking, I'm going to go ahead and drop the top on this. It's still going up. It's at 155 now. I think maybe another 5 minutes maybe. I'll tell you how long it's been. So we're going to go ahead and close the top on this thing. Let it resume. Once that current temperature gets to right around 162 or so, I'm going to pull it off and let it rest and cook the rest of the way. We're shooting for around 165, so we'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, a quick update. I left the room real quick. It's been like 2 minutes and we're already at 164, so we're going to open this up. And so I got my Insta-Read here, and I'm going to actually check the temperature and see where we're at. Yeah, 162.9, 163 degrees internal temperature there. So that thermometer, and actually we're 174 over on that side. Let's see, 173. Yeah, we're actually good to go. This chicken is done. We're gonna get it to the cutting board, and we'll see you in a minute. Okay, so this is what we ended up with. Look at those bad boys. Yeah, and crispy. Oh yeah, perfect amount of crisp. Nice, not overdone. Took them to a good temperature. So I'm just going to take one of these real quick and just slice into it. Now you got, it's the same thing as a chicken. So you got your wing over here on the side, which I'm going to go ahead and just detach that real quick like. Okay, so I got the wing after I was so rudely interrupted with my phone. Dang phones. Alright, and then here you got your leg and what would be a thigh on a regular whole chicken. So same thing. Just get back in there. And so you got your little your little thigh. And actually I'm going to take a bite of this. This looks absolutely delicious and perfectly cooked. Oh yeah. I don't know if you can see the juices dripping everywhere. I'm gonna get in here real quick on this breast. Oh yeah. So you can just see the whole inside. It's all perfectly cooked. Juice, it is juicy and tender. Obviously this is just all cartilage and stuff. It is, oh, it's still super dang hot. This thing turned out amazing. Your own personal little chicken. Phenomenal. Alright, I'm going to bring it back up top, see you in a minute. Alright guys, so we are finished with the cook and I am super satisfied. Look at what we got here. Ooh, well, do you see the juices? Dripping everywhere? It's, yeah, dang, it's dripping everywhere. Look at that thing, it's perfectly cooked. I mean, just phenomenal. This is the one that I cut open. You know, the whole inside, just so you can see, you know, and of course this is just, you know, part of the bone. This, yeah, it's all perfectly 100% cooked and awesome. The chicken breast is super delicious. Oh, so good. All right, I had to wipe my face off real quick. So, first cook, Foodi Ninja XL did an amazing job on 2 Cornish hens. I know people are going to start asking, can you fit a whole chicken and whatnot? I don't think I'm going to be able to get a full chicken in there, but I'll try. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I got so many more cooks to do, so make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get all my future videos. I mean, these turned out absolutely phenomenal. We used the thermometer, which worked amazing. I mean, it was right on point with the with my Thermopen. When I checked, the temperature was spot on, so that's good. This thing has, several different, anyway, I'm impressed. I like it so far, but then again, it's just my first cook. So I also got a review out. I'm gonna go ahead and an unboxing, quick one-time overlook and whatnot. I'm gonna drop that up here and in the description below so you can check that out, and a link to where you can actually purchase one. So I am going to enjoy this. Hey, chicken, quit dripping everywhere. Anyway, we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.